What's up, guys? YouTube video. We've got Woodwork, we've got Tiffany, we've got Brian.
Yo.
Got hit.
Yo.
Got hit. Crossbar. Left post. Or right post. Let's do win.
I'm just saying the loser gets red horse.
The loser gets red horse.
From penalty spot.
Call out.
You've got to call out and then.
Got to tell the camera what we're going for. Crossbar. First attempt, boys. First attempt, boys. Haha.
Oi, right, so.
You're behind net now.
You obviously
First
know
attempt.
You probably know me.
Brian, they won't be able to see your face. Brian, they won't be able to see your face.
Crossbar. Woo.
Brian, you're back there. Give me your shot.
Yeah.
What are you going for?
Well, I'm going for right post.
Number one.
I'm not a bad boy. And I don't like to hit crossbar first. It's always the right post. Oh! It skimmed the side.
I'll be back in a sec, guys. Technical difficulties. I'm sorting you guys out. But give me a second. There you go, guys. Sorry for difficulties. Just sorting you out because we're a bit bad. But I've already hit crossbar first try. Let's see you back in it. We'll go with left post. Left post.
Go on, then. Left post.
Just saying, I've been unbeaten so far.
I failed it.
But yeah, I'm going to be hitting crossbar. But just bearing in mind, I have not lost the game of Woodwork yet.
I just can't believe I hit crossbar. First try. I
I was like, ah! I can't do it from the
Crossbar.
Alright, crossbar.
Time to smash it.
Time to not smash it.
Crossbar from behind the next.
Okay, go on then.
The champion, boys.
No, easy. Be your turn or my turn?
Your turn.
Oh, okay. So you won't know me. Yeah, going for left post this time.
Guy coming on his bike.
Lucky Charles.
Nope. No, you're not. Left post, right post this time. Right post this time, this guy, guys. Right post.
Okay.
Yes! Right post, boys. Ha ha. And girls, just in case girls are watching.
Yeah. I made you go. What about that?
Yes, I hit it. Just left post now, I've won.
Right then.
Then you two have got to carry on because
Crossbar.
you two have to carry on.
I know, because it's better.
Let's see it sit now.
Crossbar. Go on then. Crossbar, mate. Crossbar.
It's a bit windy as well, I'm not sure, so that will it's a bit windy as well, so I'm sorry about that one.
Crossbar, lad. And ladies.
Ha! If guys, if you didn't see that then, that completely
I was meant to
missed.
say right post. You know, right post. Yeah.
I've got this. Left post, and then I've won. Left post and I've won, guys. Let's hit this. Left post and I've won. The Brian's been beaten. I missed it.
Brian, you've been beaten.
I've only got to get left post. And you two ain't hit one. You know what I'm going for? Left post. Let's do this. I told you we should have gone behind the white line. Use a penalty spot.
Get in.
That was bad, that. Very bad. Ooh, can't. Yeah. Yeah.
Here's Spencer. crossbar.
Here for days.
If I hit this, Tiffany owes me £500.
And you bloody wish.
Wow.
Ha.
Behind the box, behind the net again.
Now,
I ain't like
£7.
Yes, boys! Number one here.
We've got our new champion instead of Brian.
Number one.
Okay, so don't know if to go for a left post or crossbar. So I'm gonna go for left post. I'm gonna bugger it. Left post, Brian, you might want to get over there.
I wouldn't, because it'll go over there.
Yeah, technical
Behind the net,
difficulty.
net. No Tiffany, because you're rubbish. Rubbish at football, everybody, don't worry about that one.
I'm not rubbish at football, I'm rubbish at aiming.
That's close, guys.
Yeah, she's rubbish at
They
football.
finished the game and me to win, but these two will have to carry on because none of them have hit it.
Come on,
Like,
Spencer. Make it a win.
no!
Shit.
That close.
Spencer's shit.
Spencer.
Brian, have it too, you want it in there.
Spencer. He said, so you're gonna have to like look it out.
There's a random tractor.
Behind the net, Tiffany.
Oh yes, that's it. That was just behind the net. It's just
Yeah, so what, go behind the net. I'm here now. Can't bother to walk down here.
like, go for Brian.
Right post.
What's up, guys? Can you hit it? Ooh, close.
I give up.
Right. Tiffany's to Brian, you get behind there.
Oh, for
My turn.
What are you going for, Tiffany?
Going for left post again.
Left post.
Out or right there.
Left post, Brian.
More like finesse. Or the middle, you like to say.
Right, net. Well, I'll definitely go behind the net.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
We've only got one post to get. Left post and I've won. Let's do
Oh, it's
it.
gonna be on it. Wait,
Right,
wait.
change of plans. Left post. If he hits the post now, me and thing you lose, he's the winner.
Don't go over it, let's do it.
He will.
Oh.
Yeah, Tiffany.
And again, I am shocking. I hit two and I'm not going to hit this.
You know
What are
what?
you going for?
Who says I have to go and hit on the crossbar?
Go on, Brian.
Crossbar. Right, I'm gonna hit this.
Who needs it? Forget this, I've lost. Woo! Boys! Well, mate, every time I'm behind that, it's something. You don't hit it this time. Oh! Time to get serious. Crossbar. Getting it.
Oh, yeah, you wish. Yep.
Nope.
Think so.
No, it's not time to get serious.
And again, as like everybody knows, I've only got to go for left post. Playing it a bit further back so I'm not in a hole. Let's do this. Left post. Trick shots only. Well, we've all just figured out I'm the number one worst person at doing
That's what
banners.
you call a fail.
Never again.
Nobody
I
says
used to
I
call
have
it
to
a
hit it
Rabona,
on the
don't know why.
crossbar.
I used to call it a Rabona.
It's Rabona.
Crossbar.
Long crossbar.
I
Oh!
give up. I actually give up.
I give up for being a loser. I'm so bad at aiming.
Spencer, you might as well stay there.
No.
If you go get the ball, stay away. You can put it on the spot.
You hit it, you go. What's there? You know where?
I'm going to that right post. Not gone for it yet. No. I hit it wrong. Hit the bottom of the field.
And the football master just needs to go.
Right, yeah, I think we might be best going. Because he's going to come round the corner with this.
No, he's only going up there. We're not going. We're recording this video for these guys. Right. Left post. Got this.
Just saying there's a tractor, see you now.
There's a tractor over there, so there's a bit of a tractor. I'm probably a bit close for you all. The tractor. So I'm going to talk for a little bit because, yeah, it's going to be a bit noisy. Hello. Brian's going next. What are you going for, Brian?
Crossbar challenge!
Perfect noise, mate.
Time to smash it!
Sorry. One.
A bit left post now, win.
No.
Yeah.
Right, crossbar.
Pass, Brian.
The only thing I keep on it and it's crossbar.
Okay, he's crossbar king, and I'm going to be crossbar queen. Going for that crossbar. Crossbar.
You're not going to hit it.
Crossbar, yeah. I'm not going to hit it. Nope. I'm ready. I tried chipping
You didn't even
it.
get it off the floor.
I tried
Chipping it, you hit it with your toe.
Yeah, I tried to like win it and then it failed.
Only one post to go.
Then you
Left.
lose the whole thing.
Come on, God. I love you.
Spencer, do the fray. You did it wrong.
Good.
I've got this.
Shit.
I hit the crossbar!
Fucking wanker one.
Have you popped it for now? Brian, leave it. She hit it, she can fetch it.
Nice, you're back. Go. God damn it.
Brian, what did I say about swearing?
Shut the. Oh.
The ball, that.
Yeah.
Time to smash it.
Time to smash it. Crossbar. I give up. I'm out. Come on. Spencer just winning.
We already know you're out. You're outside playing the Woodwork challenge.
Tiffany's a cocky cow.
I know, I just
I said that, guys. But she is.
yeah, I'm pretty cocky. You should see what I am now. Okay. And it's not time to smash it. It's time to not hit anything. But I'm going to go for that right post. See what I mean? Can't hit anything.
Left post, now going further back. Going about here. Wait till wind dies now. Wind's gone, let's hit this. Finish the game.
He's done it.
Hit it.
No, he hit it. He hit post. No, he didn't. He hit the post.
Hit the post, hit it.
Oh my god.
Done. If you saw that, I won, guys. I would like to say, like and subscribe, peace, and keep watching the daily videos.
Don't forget to check out my channel.
Peace.
Bye.